Show my fit in the video. What? So you guys, I'm about to lay the baby hairs, and as you can see, the hairline looks really good. I will say in some areas it is light, but I am going to fix that. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and hot comb the baby hairs. I want to make sure that this is really flat all in here. I want to make sure that all in my part area is very flat. So I'm going to go in with an olive oil hair treatment. And then I'm also going to go in with a little coconut oil sheen. And I'm also, to make my curls pop, I'm going to go in with the ISO Plus alcohol-free mousse. Make sure you get the alcohol-free kind because you don't want your hair to flake. Alcohol is drying to your hair, so don't get anything with alcohol. But first you want to go ahead and use your wax stick. And I have this Ebon wax stick, 24-hour hair wax stick. I'm going to take that and I'm going to use that right a little bit away from my part area. Don't do it on the part area because you don't want your lace to lift. So do it a little far away. And this is a 5x5 4 bundles and a 5x5 closure wig. I purchased this wig from BUW Hair Factory. So if you guys want the details, then I'll leave them in the description box. But please let me know if you want more information about this hair. I'm going to do an updated review. I'm going to try to wear this hair for at least a month so I can get a good review on it. But so far, I really love it. Like, it's very minimal shedding. Very soft, very manageable. And you guys, look at the density. Look at this. This is just the one side. Look at the back. And I'm not even standing all the way up. This is a 250% density wig. And if you guys want to know how much I paid for it, it's going to be also in the description. But make sure you go check out. If you are in the Houston area or Atlanta area, please check out this hair company, because not only do they do bulk inventory where you can buy your own and you can sell, but you also can purchase your own hair. And so far it's so beautiful. Like, what I like to do when I get new hair is I like to color it or texture it. So this
Help me, help them understand that it's over. Like, I'm trying to get them to understand, like, you're the reason why we're over. Help me.